Wel, dwi yma heddi yn y wyddgrau gyda Joe o'r Cyngor Dre Mold. Joe, chi wedi bod mynychu gweitha gyda ni prosiect Trefi Smart. Pa ffordd mae'r gweitha wedi helpu chi gyda'r datblygiadau chi moyn wneud yn y dre?
Oedd o'n diddorol iawn i gweld sut oedd trefi eraill wedi defnyddio'r y data yma mynd trwad. Ac ar o'n ein ni meddwl yn y weithgrig, beth gennym ni yn barod, sut rydyn ni defnyddio fo. Mae gennym ni footfall counters yn barod yma, ond mae hynny'n static. A gweld sut da ni'n mynd ymlaen a defnyddio technoleg i gwella dre, i gweld sut mae bobl yn dod mewn, a wneud yn siŵr bod mwy o bobl yn dod mewn, maen nhw'n aros yn hirach, a maen nhw'n gwerthu mwy yn y dre hefyd. Dyna be ni eisiau gwneud.
Fel rhan o'r gweitha, yw'ch chi'n creu cynllun gweithredol ar gyfer datblygu'r defnydd technoleg yn dre. So felly, beth yw'r cynlluniau am y 3 mis blwyddyn nesaf nawr?
Mae'n bwysig, da ni wedi cael y counters yma yn mynd mewn. Da ni eisiau gwneud yn siŵr bod ni'n cyfro'r dre hun ac yn gwneud siŵr bod yr infrastructure yn iawn yn y dre ni'n mynd trwy. So mae wedi gwneud ni meddwl am lle maen nhw'n mynd, y coverage maen nhw, a jyst cael y bobl a'r busnesydd yn y dre hefyd i gweld sut mae'n neith hwnna weithio i nhw hefyd, pan mae'n bwysig ydy'r technoleg yna ac yr data sy'n dod allan iddyn nhw defnyddio i helpu busnes nhw hefyd.
Felly, fel rhan o swydd chi'n denu gyd o'r busnesau mewn i'r cynllun yma, bod nhw'n prynu mewn i'r peth a bod nhw fel dre a busnesau annibynnol yn ennill ar y cwbl wedyn.
O ie, mae hwnna'n andros o bwysig i cael y bobl yn gwybod gyd amdano fo, cymryd nhw gyd ar y siwrna efo ni i gweld beth sy'n mynd ymlaen. A mae'r busnesau maen nhw'n wedi newid efo'r Covid, maen nhw'n defnyddio technoleg mwy wan yn eu busnes nhw, a maen nhw wan yn gallu gweld print mor da fysa cael hwn i mewn, so mae'n mynd, yn gret.
Information and data is really important to inform decision making within the town, both for the traders, for policy makers, for us as a town council, for the county council. The footfall counters that we are going to be acquiring through the bid that's been put forward are going to be instrumental in our planning for the future. They'll help our traders decide perhaps on their opening hours, when's busy, when isn't, but they'll also help us plan our services as well. Where do we need more benches, perhaps more litter collection facilities? Where do we need to have more open spaces? Where do we need to make sure we've got wider pavements? So they'll be invaluable in providing us with data upon which we can obviously make those decisions to enhance the town further for the communities that it serves.
I think to have that technology in place would be really valuable to us because at the minute we're kind of working day to day. So from our polls that we're using on Instagram, we can decide or we can gauge whether we're going to be busy that day or maybe the next day. But with that technology in place, we'll be able to gauge who's coming in that week. So are they coming in more on a Monday or more on a Tuesday? And then we can decide what bakes we need to put out. Obviously, everything's fresh, so what we waste, we waste. So hopefully that will be able to help us control things a little bit more.
We obviously have a fair idea of when business happens during a day or what days, but to have that data would help me to have an efficient rota for staff so that we had plenty of staff in when they're likely to be needed and lighter when, during the quiet periods.
So it would build on the data that we already collate about our own business. So if we had town-wide data, that takes it to another level. So we would be really interested to know how long people are spending in our shop in terms of time, which car parks are busiest, and therefore where the footfall is going to follow past the shop. So it has huge applications for a business like ours.
Facebook is great for getting website sales from down south, but without the local support, we definitely wouldn't have got through the last 18 months. So knowing that you've got that repeat customer coming back into town, it will help to know like how often do we need to be changing the windows more. It's just anything like that is for us is just useful, and to encourage them to come in more. We can work then to do, hopefully as a town we could then develop in that to do late nights or Sunday. We can all talk to each other a bit more if we can see when people are all coming in, to make sure if they're coming in, we're all open and we're all kind of on the same wavelength and all try and work together.
We could have offers on a daily basis if we find Tuesday's a quiet day, we could put offers on for that day only, really.
And with Niall, the Region Manager for Flintshire County Council. So, Niall, we've been in Mold today and we've seen some excellent examples of how digital technology is starting to be used here as a result of people from Flintshire attending some of the workshops that we've been doing as a Smart Towns project. How do you see that, how Mold is influencing possibly the rest of the county?
Flintshire County Council is really excited to be part of the Year of Smart Towns initiative. Mold for us is going to be the first of the towns on that journey, working with Welsh Government and supporters to drive forward really that use of that data to better manage the town. We're really keen to roll that out to the other towns. We've just been successful in securing Welsh Government funding for the equipment to do that. So our intention is to work with the other towns, with the businesses in those towns, with other stakeholders, really to learn the lessons from Mold, apply those to the towns so we manage all our towns more effectively.